Bitcoin? Yes, Bitcoin! That is what we will be earning today just by watching videos online. This is applicable in the year 2021 and any place in the planet. This is another approach that is completely free. So get out your phones, laptops, and computers and get ready to make some quick cash. Apart from Bitcoin, there are additional crypto offers that I'll show you once we've arrived at the special website, which I'll show you later. So sit back, relax, and pay attention to every tiny detail I'm about to reveal. Please be patient and pay attention to what I'm about to show you before we begin. Now, es.btcnews.com is the specific website that will earn you that Bitcoin money. This one allows you to earn money by viewing videos and completing other tasks such as surveys and other similar activities. The About section will be the very first item you see here. It claims that ES Faucet is a multi-crypto faucet that allows you to choose from how frequently you claim. This means that you can visit this website from time to time and exchange cryptocurrency. By the way, they don't simply have Bitcoin. Other cryptocurrencies are available on this platform as well, which I will show you shortly. It's also crucial to note that it's available for Android users and will be available for iOS users soon. So you can do this on your phone as well, which is great. However, the primary reason we'll visit their website is to use their crypto miner. You can use their crypto miner to mine crypto in the background while you do nothing. As stated here, they use a method that maximizes hash power, even unlimited threads, allowing you to mine on any device with high hash power. This is critical knowledge, since it means you can receive the same results on your smartphone, not just laptops or computers. Furthermore, you may keep doing whatever you're doing while this earns you money in the background. Keep in mind that using their crypto miner will have no negative impact on the performance of your device, so you have nothing to be concerned about. Bitcoin is not only cryptocurrency accessible, as previously stated. You can see on their homepage that they have a lot more to offer. I'll let you decide which one you think has the best chance of improving in the future, so you have a list of cryptocurrencies to choose from here. Now, just before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial interesting and useful, leave a comment down below because we'd love to know your thoughts. Now, to remind you, just stay tuned until the end of the video in order to know the exact steps to winning that $50 gift card giveaway. But for now, it's time to get back into this tutorial and continue making money. To take a step back, we'll now discuss what you'll need to do when you first visit our website, which is to register. You can do so right now by clicking the Sign Up button. You'll then be prompted to provide some basic information, such as your username, email address, and password before checking the box indicating that you agree to their terms of service. Then after completing the CAPTCHA, click Register. That's all there is to it. I'm going to go into my account now so that I can show you everything there is to know. This is how your dashboard will look once you've logged into your brand new account. As you can see, this website has a leveling system in place where you can improve your benefits by leveling up. You will be able to do so by redeeming your earnings, and the more often you do so, the faster you will level up, allowing you to earn more money. You're currently at level 0, but that will change once you begin. The list of cryptocurrencies can be found by scrolling down a little. However, not all of them will be available right away. They will become available as you progress through the levels. But for the time being, since you're at low level, you can use Bitcoin, which is the most popular of them all. You can also use Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Stellar, Digibyte, and Dogecoin. For the time being, I'll concentrate on Bitcoin because that is the video's primary goal. Now, if you click on Earn on the left-hand side of this page, it will display you all of your alternatives. You got faucets, paid to click, videos, offers, miner, and bonuses. The faucets section will display all the cryptocurrencies you have in your account. It's now up to you to choose one of them. For now, I'll select Bitcoin. You will be directed to this website if you click on it as well. You can see the balance up top, and all you have to do to claim the Bitcoin is scroll down and click here to claim right here. It will then send you to a page where you can see how much Bitcoin you have claimed. This holds true for any cryptocurrency you pick, so just do what I did a second ago. A word of advice: use all of the other categories on the site to maximize your revenues. Paid to click is one of them. This is about as simple as it gets. All you have to do is click View Site and you'll be paid. It's that easy. The amount you receive will be displayed right here. And the best thing is that these deals will refresh after some time has passed. So, if you run out, you may either wait a while or finish some of the other offers while you wait for them to reappear. And speaking of choosing other offers, videos is one of the most effective ways to do so. You don't even have to view them. Simply click on Watch Videos and go about your business while still getting paid. The amount will be displayed once more right here. Moving on to the next fantastic element of these website categories, the miner. The miner is what will make you money in the long run, which is possibly the finest part of it all. All you have to do now is click this Start button, and it will begin earning you money, and that's all there is to it. This will have no effect on the functioning of your device. This is also possible on your Android device, which is why you should concentrate on the miner in addition to the faucets and videos. The next thought that comes to mind is, how are you going to get your money? It's actually quite straightforward. Simply return to the dashboard, select My Account from the drop-down menu, and select Withdraw. From there, it's up to you. Simply select any of these cryptocurrencies and select Show Details. For the time being, I'll only concentrate on Bitcoin. Another piece of advice is that whether or not you will pay transaction fees depends on the wallet you use. I recommend that you use Coinbase and visit Coinbase.com. Although you will require greater minimum quantity of Satoshis to receive your earnings, you will not be charged any transaction fees, which is fantastic. In this regard, registering a Coinbase account is completely free. To make one, simply get started in the upper right corner and follow the instruction. After doing so will allow you to receive your earnings. So go ahead and do what I instructed on the first website and withdraw them away so you can start receiving cash right away. And that sums up today's tutorial.